Trick or treat, here come the judge, here come the judge.
Being black in America, we rise higher, all right? That's my nephew, Joseph Davis. That's Joe Davis. It's a Davis thing. Shorty, pull your mask up? Yeah, it's a Davis thing. Criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger? Yeah. Here come the judge. Here come the judge. Like I said, I was making a documentary. Baltimore's biggest loser, Theroux. Y'all spent a lot of money on him to lock up black Baltimore. Slavery in the 21st century. Find Waldo? No, we're going to find Shorty. And we're going to find him right here in the book. All right? They say if you want to hide something, hide it in the book. And that's Theroux. Release all material to the voters. We're talking about voter suppression. That's the Supreme Court of the United States. And that's Henry Louis Gates, The Making of Black America. Got questions? Barcode it. That's Shorty's right here. If you want to read it, I'll have it at Shin Wright's event on Monday night. That's November 29th, 2006. Get Shorty. Get Shorty. And y'all got Shorty. Alright? Y'all may be famous for toilets, and I'm going to run with that shit. I got toilets, and I'm getting ready to put them out there. Ask Jack. You feel me? Ask Adrian Jones. Ask McFadden. The Baltimore Central Committee in the 45th District. Ask Tom Perez. Runners for Justice. Like I said, it's Sunday, and we getting ready to rise. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. You feel me? Honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. And Elijah Cummings got a lot of information about me. So does the Department of Justice. You feel me? That's Johnny Oleski in Baltimore County. I never got a trial and I never got a hearing. You see that? 1402 Lochner. I was kidnapped by the state because I was making a documentary about y'all. That's Westmore. Says no one left behind. Well, let's talk about this documentary. That's the Maryland Black Legislative Caucus. That's Pugh. And down here is GOP Carter. That's Dutch Rupersberger. Hardin's. And like I said, she been lying to you. If you go to the federal court, Judge Bennett, and get my paperwork from Judge Bennett. You see the date? That's Judge Bennett. That's Governor Larry Hogan. That's Bobby Zirkin. And Valario from the House Judiciary Committee. Y'all had this information. Like I said, I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. You feel me? I took an oath to defend all country against all terrorists, foreign and domestic. Elijah Cummings took an oath too. We're going to talk about the Dawson family. We're going to talk about the war on drugs, art and activism. You feel me? We're going to talk about city paper, heroes. We don't need another hero. We just need somebody to lead us in the right direction. Y'all made me famous for toilets. 2011, I put a toilet in front of the Towson Courthouse. It was about the shitty politicians in Baltimore. She been lying to you. She got a federal trial coming up. And this is going to be information for that federal trial. You got to turn over that information. Scott Shellenberger. That's the Department of Justice number. If y'all taking her to court in federal court, you got to take Scott Shellenberger to federal court. Department of Justice. You feel me? Department of Justice. Calabrese. Department of Justice. Everything that you got. Paul Ballard. Everything that you got. Dwight Pettit. Everything that you got. And that was received in 2014. That was received in the States Attorney's Office. That's Judge Papaya, Judge Turnbull, Judge Souder, the Maryland School of Law. And that's the Baltimore Sun Chief Editor. Justin Burke, ABC2. Christian Schaefer, Roosevelt Lethowitz, Mike Marion, and Richard Scher. You see that? That's what the toilet was about in Towson. Congressman Cummings got a legacy, and that legacy depends on the story that he tells about me. Truth speaking to power. We rise higher. Remember that. We rise higher.